This is the Genhair Herbal Hair Growth Bundle Box. If you do not know what to start with this. Genetic hair loss, alopecia, thyroid disorders, cancer, dry scalp, oily scalp, post-pregnancy hair recovery? What else? Let's look at what is inside the box. The first thing you will see is the Genhair Hairfall Control Shampoo. You will use this liquid shampoo every day, every time you wash your hair. Next are Tonics 1 and Tonics 2. These tonics are to be sprayed directly onto your scalp before you begin your day every morning and before you sleep every night. Twice a day, preferably after washing your scalp, although not necessary. Whether you wash your hair or not, Tonic 1 helps to ensure your scalp is clean, taking care of oily, dandruff, or itchy scalp, while Tonic 2 helps to reduce hair loss and promote healthy hair growth. You can spray Tonic 2 immediately after Tonic 1 without waiting for it to dry. We understand that people do lead busy lives. However, do remember to spray generously onto your scalp and not onto your hair. Each time you use Tonics 1 and 2, you are essentially bathing your scalp in natural herbs after each spray, giving your scalp the care it needs for cleanliness and the nutrients it needs for hair growth and the prevention of hair loss. More info on Tonics 1 and 2 are in a separate video on our videos page. Next, our most important item, 12 Genhair Herbal Hair Mask sachets. You will use this Genhair Herbal Hair Mask once a week for a straight 12 weeks. On our videos page is a how to prepare video and a how to apply video. We have also provided a mixing bowl for you to empty the powder contents of the herbal hair mask sachets into, followed by adding water. You can actually use any bowl you have in your household if you lose this bowl. This is just a bowl, not some magic bowl. Next is the applicator comb, and also many other contents in here. You will use this applicator comb provided to apply the herbal contents onto the scalp using the brush side. As always, a more detailed video of using the herbal hair mask is found on our videos page. In addition, we have also provided 12 plastic gloves for your other hand that is not using the applicator comb. Save the earth. You really don't need gloves for both hands. One salon cape that is washable and reusable if you do not want the herbs getting onto your clothes. 6 shower caps like this, washable and reusable, that is completely optional for you to cover your head for 40 minutes while the herbal hair mask is on. This is so that you can go about your daily tasks while waiting for 40 minutes without spilling any of the herbal hair mask contents all over your home. Ear cups, washable and reusable just in case you do not like the herbal contents touching your ears. We are also glad to inform you that the herbal hair mask is completely safe if any of the contents gets into your clothes, eyes, skin, ears, and so on. It is completely safe and easily washable. You will not get a permanent coloring onto your clothes. These ingredients are completely natural. We have provided 2 more additional accessories for more advanced treatments that you will usually pay a lot for when you visit hair growth centers. The first one is the buffalo comb. It is scientifically proven that hair growth is further boosted when you have good blood circulation to your scalp. Therefore, we have provided a separate tutorial on our videos page on how you can use the massaging techniques of the buffalo comb to stimulate blood circulation. And yes, some people do perform headstands to have blood flow to their head in the belief that it will promote hair growth. And I do that sometimes actually, true story. The next one is the micro stem for your scalp. Add Tonic 2 solution into this micro stem bottle. There are 20 very short and sterilized needles that will massage the tonics into your scalp each time you stamp all over your head. No, you will not feel any pain as the needles are so short, it is just hitting the surface of your scalp. Rather, you should feel nice and relaxed, especially when you have someone else doing it for you. We have a separate tutorial on the micro stem as well in our videos page. And a thermal hair cap bundle. In our salons, we usually steam our hair for 30 minutes while the herbs are left on the scalp. The steam opens up the hair follicles, allowing the herbs to be better absorbed into the scalp. But whoever owns their own hair steamer at home, right? You can choose the thermal hair cap bundle for an additional $22. This thermal hair cap will provide the heat required to have almost the same effect as the hair steamer. Almost. As usual, we have a separate video on the thermal hair cap in our videos page. If you decide to go without the thermal hair cap, leave the herbs on your scalp for 40 minutes. There you have it. This entire Genhair bundle box will provide you everything you need to get your scalp condition back so that your hair is able to grow on a healthy bed of soil. We have packaged a 3-month supply of herbal hair mask as most of our clients have seen results between the 8th to 12th week. The pricing is extremely affordable. Friends, the pricing is extremely affordable. Alright, do watch our other videos on our videos page for more specific information on each product within the Genhair Herbal Hair Growth Bundle box. And as always, the quicker you take action, the quicker you get results. Chat with us if you require additional help. And I'll see you guys in the next video.